Hi! In front of me is Nokia C32 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Nokia. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and install this free app from Flartu developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!